starting a new journey today. We're going to unbox a crate for our new puppy that's not even born yet. Her name, if we do get a female, which is what we've requested, will be a chocolate lab, and her name will be Lexi, and I'm really excited about it. So what we're going to do now is unbox her new crate slash home and show you guys what we got. Alright, here's our crate. It's a 30-inch wide by 48-inch long by 33-inch high crate, and place got a rubber bottom in it too. It's made by MidWest. We purchased this off of Amazon. We'll leave a link below. We've got, looks like a water and food bowl if you choose to hook it to the side of the crate. Not sure if we're going to do that yet or not. We'll see how that goes. Also, we have a quiet time crate cover that covers the crate. Like I said, it's 48 by 30 by 33 high, so it's a pretty decent sized crate, and we're expecting our dog to probably be mid to large sized dog. So, and also comes with a pretty cozy bed. Well, maybe I could take a nap on this too. Alright, looks like it's pretty easy. So it says here, undo the latch right here. Little locking device. It says to pull up, and then it says grab. Both hands, just like so. And then, need to go to the other side. Reach in and get the doggy door side. Alright, it says reach the door side and pull it all the way up into here. Pull it outward into these hooks here. And then put the top in just like so. There it is. That was it. And then I want to do the same on the other side. Just like the other side. Pretty simple. Pull it into the hooks here on the sides. Like so. Make sure it's hooked in every hook here, here, and here. And then, sorry. Like this. Push the hooks down here and here, and there it sits. One more right here. And that's it. So here we have it. It's set up. It is a 48 long by 30-inch wide by 33-inch tall crate. And I will say that's a little bit bigger than we expected, but we think our chocolate lab's going to fit in here really nice. So hopefully we didn't get something too big. Next we'll show you how to, we'll just put the pet bed in there that came with it and show you what that looks like. Also, this is the divider, I guess a puppy training divider, and you put it in, you know, halfway through here like so. So the puppy doesn't have a tendency to maybe pee or poop in its own little dwelling, because if you leave it out, he may come over here and pee and poop and then sleep over here. So we want to try to prevent that with a puppy. So while we're training, we may use this in the center here to shorten his range. So we've now installed the bed. It's got little elastic straps on each corner to kind of hold it in. Not sure if we're going to use this yet or not, because I said earlier that we might be using the divider, and I don't see the divider working too well with that. More to come on that, but it is a very cozy looking bed, and eventually our puppy will enjoy that. This is the cover that the crate came with, and this is what it looks like fully covered. And what we're going to do is put this side against the wall. So we have Velcro straps here, and we Velcroed that, and then over here, whichever configuration you use, you can unvelcro it pretty quick. Either use the front entrance or the side entrance. So it works out pretty good either way. And we're going to leave it just like that, and we're going to put it back in its place. The next time you see this, hopefully the puppy will be inside.